Anyway, so, all right.
Y'all do?
Okay, yeah.
All right. I'm Chief Mike Walker of the Gardendale Police Department, and I wanted to give everyone a quick update and tell you what I think we can tell you at this point about our investigation. We have in the 4100 block of Willow Bend Drive this morning about 8 o'clock, we were called to the scene. We have 3 victims that were dead on the scene. The suspect had fled in one of the victims' cars, which we have recovered. We believe that he left that car to go to his own car and then fled the scene in that car. At first, and I know this is going to get confusing, but we were looking for a Lincoln Navigator. That car, I've been informed just a moment ago, has been located in Florida, and he is not with the car, and right now we don't believe it was involved. So currently we're looking for a 1986 Chevrolet Camaro. It's black with T-tops, and we're also looking for a white Honda Accord, and the information on that vehicle is posted on our Facebook and Twitter page. Our suspect is Kenneth Dion Lever, and he's a white male, 51 or 52 years of age. I don't have that right now. He was last seen wearing a camouflage shirt and shorts. And you know, if anyone has information on this individual, please call the Gardendale Police Department at area code 205-631-8787. If you see this individual, do not approach him and call 911 immediately. He is armed and dangerous.
Chief, what do you want to advise folks who live in Gardendale? We heard the mayor's kind of stay in place, but what is your advice to people right now, basically?
Well, in this immediate area, we'd ask people just to remain in place, not because we think there's some kind of danger. It's just because of where the crime scene is located and us trying to process it, and out of respect for our victims and their families, we really don't want people passing by at this point. But we believe there's no danger at this time in this area, and we really have no reason to believe that he's still in Gardendale.
What's the suspect's relationship with the victims?
There is a family relationship, and we believe this is a domestic situation, and that's about all I'm going to say.
Ex-wife filed a restraining order.
I'm not going to go any further than that, but we believe it to be a
Chief,
domestic situation.
I'll ask and you tell me whatever. Are the victims adults?
Yes.
All adults?
Yes, they are.
And can you talk at all about the protective order that was against you?
I haven't seen it, so no, I cannot.
You said you recovered one car. Can you say where that car was recovered?
In the trailer park.
How wide is the search area at this point?
Right now, it could be the whole state of Alabama and Panhandle of Florida.
You said camouflage shirt?
Yes.
And what color shorts?
I didn't say, no. And I don't have that vehicle.
And Chief, again, you said the Lincoln Navigator was discovered in Florida. And the vehicles you're looking for, again, just to reiterate that point to people who are watching you right now.
Well, Alan, it's going to be the vehicle that's come to our attention latest is a 1986 Chevrolet Camaro. It's black with T-tops, and we have no other information on it.
What are the chances he's on foot?
We just don't believe that's the case.
And I'll ask you, Chief, what the evidence may tell you. Is that you don't believe he's in Gardendale?
We have no reason to believe he's in Gardendale at this time.
Based on what you know about him, do you have any idea where he may have headed?
You know, we would assume back to Florida, since that's where he was living.
What part of Florida?
Santa Rosa County, the Panhandle area.
Any idea on motive?
No, ma'am, and I wouldn't speculate on that.
Hey, Chief, can you talk about the law enforcement response out here?
You're talking about our partners in law enforcement?
The whole deal.
It's been wonderful. We have had, and I don't know that we've requested assistance from anybody, but especially our friends with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Department have been here and just indispensable. I mean, all the departments around us, Fultondale, Kimberly, Morris, Warrior, I mean, you just go down the list. I mean, Birmingham has been here. Everybody's trying to help, and a lot of them have been able to provide invaluable assistance with technical aspects.
So, Chief, from your point of view, people in Gardendale, I mean, outside of here, be restricted in this Peachtree Crossing area, but everybody else go about to do their normal business. Just be wary.
That's correct. And once again, I don't think we have said that it was a domestic so far, but it is a domestic situation. There was a family relationship with all the people involved, and so therefore I would say that no one else has any reason to be worried at this point.
And once again, these were all adults.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Were there Indian children involved, and are they with family or people right now to take care of
I'm not
them?
going to go into that. No, sir.
Chief, you had also mentioned a white Honda Accord. How is that potentially associated?
It's a vehicle that's owned by a family member, and we have not located that vehicle at this time, so there is a possibility he's using that vehicle.
And the Camaro, is that does he own that, or is that another family member?
We believe he owns the Camaro.
Chief, can you speak, I mean, you got a situation where he's allegedly shot and killed 3 people, and you're telling people obviously do not approach him. Can you speak to would you consider him, based on your experience, a desperate individual, and I sort of want to address sort of like the warning of don't approach him. Can you speak to that? How desperate is he?
Well, I mean, obviously with the circumstances that have happened, he's could do anything. I will say that if Mr. Lever is for some reason watching one of these newscasts or somehow seeing the media on this and he's listening to me right now, to turn yourself in. Any law enforcement officer, just please turn yourself in, because we're going to get you.
Were there any weapons recovered, or you believe that
We wouldn't comment on that, sir.
Can you tell us if there was anyone else in the home when this happened?
I'm not going to comment on
Any eyewitnesses?
that. I'm not commenting on that.
And what about resources you may devote to the folks who are inside kind of scared, not being able to move? Do you have any folks that maybe are calming them down at this point?
Well, like I've already said, we believe the danger is past in this area, and we have ample law enforcement presence, and we've been door to door and talked to a lot of people already as well. And just rest assured, we're taking care of things, and like I said before, I'll reiterate one more time that we believe he's left the area.
Chief, have you guys responded to any domestic issues at this residence previous to this
I
point?
couldn't comment on that. We did.
Is Glen Chapel Road back open to everybody and residents can go back to their houses?
It will be soon as we can take care of our victims and make sure that the scene is reasonably secure. It will be.
Are you still in the process of notifying family members?
The coroner's office generally does that, and I don't know where they are in that stage of the investigation.
Being that you believe that he has left the area now, how does that change your investigation, or does it pass on to additional law enforcement?
I mean, it's still our case.
Chief, can you speak at all beyond the murder scene, but can you speak at all to any circumstances that might have led up to, for example, was there any kind of a furniture displaced or any sign of a struggle prior to finding the victims?
If anything like that occurred, I can't comment on that. All right, gentlemen, ladies.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chief.
Okay, so
Again, that
we're
was
just-
Chief.